Rinilay Sarmiento from 3CRI-A1-11, and I'm going to discuss the soil analysis. Okay, let's start. First, objectives. Lesson objectives: define soil analysis, explain the laboratory tests for soil samples. Okay, next slide. Soil. Okay, ano nga ba ang soil? Let's define soil. Soil are a complex mixture of minerals, water, air, organic matter, and countless organisms that are the decaying remains of one living thing. It formed at the our face to the land. It is the skin of the earth. Ang soil ay may kakayahang suportahan ang buhay ng halaman at mahalaga sa buhay sa mundo. Okay, how forensic soil analysis helps in criminal investigation. Forensic soil analysis is used by forensic soil experts and police forensic investigators to provide evidence to help police solve crime. Okay, ginagamit ang forensic soil analysis ng mga forensic soil expert at police forensic investigator para makapagbigay ng ebidensya upang matulungan ang pulisya na malutas ang krimen. Okay, ano nga bang krimen ginagamit ang forensic soil analysis? Sa mga major crime na walang fingerprint o DNA na ebidensya o maaasahang patotoo ng saksi. Soil evidence ay maaaring makatulong sa pulisya para masagot nila yung mga katanungan nila patungo sa particular na suspect at matukoy yung lokasyon nito. Soil evidence can be even more valuable when it enhances the supporting evidence. Okay, third slide. Describe the unique properties of soil. First, sediments is solid material that move and deposited in a new location. Sediment can consist of rock and minerals as well as the remains of plants and animals. It can be small as a growth of sand or as large as a boulder. Okay, ang sediments ay binubuo ng bato at mineral kasama na ang mga labi ng mga halaman at animals. Maaari itong kasing liit ng isang butil ng buhangin o kasing laki ng isang malaking boulder. Ang sediment ay gumagalaw mula sa isang lugar through the process of erosion. Yun yung sediments. Okay, color. Soil color is influenced by the moisture content. The moisture content, interval, composition, and organic content. For example, soil high in calcium tend to be white. Those high in iron are reddish. And those high in humus are dark brown to black. Soil needs only about 5% organic material to appear black when wet. Ang kulay ng lupa ay sumasalamin sa edad nito at ang temperature and moisture characteristic of the climate, those cooler regions tend to have a topsoil grayish to black due to accumulation of humus. Ang bansa na mayroong malamig na klima ay may posibilidad na magkaroon ng kulay abo at itim na lupa because of accumulation of humus. Kapag warm region naman, ang lupa ay may posibilidad na maging madilaw-dilaw ang kayumanggi depende sa hydration ng ferric oxide and excessive weathering of the potential mineral content. Rapid mineralization of organic material in warm region, in warm, moist region means that insufficient humus accumulate to influence soil color. Okay, sa mga mga sa mabilis na mineralization ng organic material sa isang warm, moist na bansa ay may nangangahulugan na di sapat ang humus na naipon upang maimpluwensyahan ang tunay kulay ng lupa. Structure. Soil structure describe the way the sand, silt, and dry particles are clumped together. Organic matter and soil organisms like earthworms and bacteria influence soil structure. Soil structure ay mahalaga para sa pagpapalaki ng halaman. Kinokontrol nito ang paggalaw ng hangin at tubig na nakakaapekto sa pagkakaroon ng nutrient. Okay, next slide. Fourth slide. Describe the procedures for collection of soil samples. Okay, first, collect sample at various intervals within a 100-yard radius of the crime scene. Second, collect sample at all possible alibi location the suspect gives. Third, collect only the surface layer in most cases. Fourth, because there is a variation of soil even at a particular location, it is important to collect standard reference sample of various intervals. Fifth, need a representable sample of the soil. Soil samples can be collected indoors. Soil samples can be collected in a different way depending on where the sample is being collected from. If samples are being collected indoors or from vehicle vacuuming is generally used. If the sample is outdoor, it's collected by placing a teaspoon of soil into a plastic vial. When found as a tool, it's wrapped in plastic and then sent to the lab for testing. Last, when collecting sample from body samples should be taken at regular intervals and a different spoon should be used each time. Okay, next slide. We're going to the last slide. Describe the different laboratory tests for soil sample. First, collection of sample. Need 1 to 2 tablespoons of sample. Second, sample must be dry. Third, sample must be dried under identical laboratory conditions. Second, visual comparison of color and texture. Soil color provide clues to the type of minerals found in the soil and can be an indicator of prolonged soil wetness and soil moisture. The color in soil is mainly due to two factors: organic content and the chemical nature of iron compound found in the soil. Determining the textural classification of soil is useful predicting its potential for erosion. Third, microscopic examination. In microscopic examination, it is used to analyze the mineral content of the sample. Uh, Low power magnification when presence of plant and animal debris. High magnification can classify minerals and rocks. Fourth is the density gradient tube. These tubes are typically filled with layer of liquid that have a different density value. When soil is added to the density gradient tube, its particles will sink to the portion of the tube that have a density of equal value after the soil sample became suspended in the liquid. The separation of the bonds from then be analyzed to reveal the profile of the soil. Okay? Okay? This is the end of my video presentation, and thank you for watching. Uh, See you to the next video presentation. God bless.